My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site securityAnalysisReport.com. SecurityAnalysisReport.com is a rogue web page which we discovered while inspecting dubious websites. This page operates by promoting deceptive content, pushing browser notification spam, and redirecting visitors to other untrustworthy or even malicious website. These pop-ups by securityAnalysisReport.com claim that they are related to some well-known security application. However, it's a mistake to interact with these pop-ups or to install anything that they suggest. These pop-ups are not related to any decent software. They promote potentially unwanted programs, so you should not interact with them. Simply leave this page and don't trust it. I recommend that you examine your computer and its safety with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Go to this page to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Use this green download button, install the program. After it gets successfully installed, click on Start Combo Scan button. Then Combo Cleaner Antivirus will begin researching your computer. As you can clearly see, in my case it's a premium mode, but initially the software is in the trial mode. Nevertheless, even the trial mode has got some free features. For instance, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the general performance of your computer and to make your Mac function great again. The scanning itself might take several minutes. At the end of the scan, of course, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. You will be able to know the name of each detected threat. You will also be able to know the exact location of threat, but I recommend that you upgrade to Premium, and this is the best solution to keep your Mac always protected in the future.